His colleagues used threatening behavior to get the password to her seized phone.
The children, Alim, doing the Pia Yevoria, doing a diet, Alim, Konalu, Dari, Lode, being not in a yite, so many.
Such aggressive misconduct led Solin Maung to defect from the military.
I say, ma, don't sit him up, look at all. No, a sense would go, poor wish you on look to the sitter here. You know, why would be your, you said that changing with your young Shon. Chimney to Nation in the chimney, but chimney to Tidone. Then I never Timatira Moguli. Then I never Timatira Mog.
The junta didn't respond to Al Jazeera's questions about torture, surveillance and interrogation centres, but said in a statement, the military adheres to the laws of war, including the Geneva Conventions, and are diligently working to ensure security and stability. They claim there are no displaced people in areas where the military is present.